أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today we will read fourth kalima tawheed. La ilaha stretched lam because madda is top of the lam. Ilaha, and this one ha pronounced from the bottom part of throat. La ilaha illallahu. This one lam will be bold because standing fatha is top of the lam. So bold it. Illallahu wahdahu, and this one ha pronounced from the middle part of throat. La sharika lahu lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu, and this one ha pronounced from the bottom part of throat, and this one ha pronounced from the middle part of throat, like this. Wa lahul hamdu yuhyi wa yumitu wa huwa ha pronounced from the middle part of throat. Wa huwa hayyul la yamutu, and when tashdid sign is in the next letter, so previous letter will be merged is in the next letter. So this is called hayyul la yamutu abadan abada zul jalali wal ikram biyadihil khair wa huwa ala, and ayn pronounced from the middle part of throat. Wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir, and this one qaf will be bold because two dots is on top of the qaf, so bold. Ala kulli shay'in qadir. Inshallah tomorrow we will read fifth kalima.